Welcome. If you want to check battery temperature in your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2, at first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool, and then type Ampere. Click install. Now we have to wait until the application will be downloaded, so just be patient. Right now open. Accept on all of this stuff and click OK, and as you can see, the temperature of the battery we can find in this place, so it's very low actually, like for the battery temperature. We can also find here a lot of other data, like for example the Android version or for example the battery health. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.